Tesla robot and the Pepper robot are humanoid robots. Optimus is a general-purpose humanoid robot designed to perform useful tasks in factories, workplaces, and homes. It walks on two legs, balances itself, and can carry up to 25 kilograms. It can lift, carry, and move objects, perform repetitive or hazardous tasks, and is used in manufacturing, logistics, and personal assistance. Pepper Robot is a social humanoid robot designed for communication, customer service, and interaction. It detects human emotions through voice tone, facial expressions, and body language. It speaks multiple languages, holds conversations, and answers questions. Tesla robot uses Tesla's AI for vision, navigation, and decision-making. It is designed to move at human walking speed and handle objects gently, making it safer around people. It can replace humans in boring, repetitive, and dangerous jobs and provide general home assistance. Pepper Robot has a touchscreen on its chest for added engagement. It can dance, gesture, and guide people. It is commonly used in retail, hospitals, banks, airports, and schools for welcoming, guiding, and entertaining. It cannot perform physical labor. It is mainly focused on social and customer service roles. Optimus is built for physical work and practical tasks in factories, homes, and logistics. Pepper Robot is built for social interaction and customer service for guiding, entertaining, and answering questions.